This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bonnie Mayo. Sun Terrace at the Lakes at Street. Lucie West, 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa in desirable street. Lucie West. Villa has an open floor plan. Kitchen opens up to the living/dining area. Mirrored closet doors in bedrooms with built-in shelves. Tile in kitchen and bathrooms, laminate flooring everywhere else. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances and LED lighting. Huge screened courtyard creates additional living space to enjoy the private garden view and large yard space. AC replaced 08-2020. Sun Terrace is within walking distance to Publix, restaurants, banks and LA Fitness. For more information, review the details below or contact Bonnie Mayo at 772-236-2446.